Exercise 165, page 419, question number 6. Gain use of the quotient rule, y equals log 2t over the square root of t. So I'm going to let u equal log 2t, which from the table of differentials, I can see that the differential of that is just 1 over t. I'm going to let v equal the square root of t, but using the laws of indices, that's the same as t to the half, which I can now differentiate. So dv by dt is a half t to the minus a half. And I can see by looking at this that I've got lots of powers of t involved, and so in the tidying up it's quite likely I'm going to have to use the laws of indices to tidy them up. Remember that if the base is the same, i.e. t, then if I'm multiplying I can add the powers, if I divide I can subtract the powers, and also remembering that roots can be written as fractions, and that minus means the inverse. So with that in mind, and let's plug these things into the quotient rule and see what we get. So dv by dt equals v, which is the square root of t, or t to the half, times the differential of u, which is 1 over t, minus u, which is log 2t, times the differential of v, which is a half t to the minus a half, all over v squared, and v is t to the half, so it's t to the half squared. Have a go, see if you can go from there by pausing. So, looking at the top, we can rewrite this as t to the half times t to the minus 1, because the inverse is minus 1, minus a half t to the minus a half times log of 2t, writing it that way around, all over t to the half squared. A half times 2 is 1, so it becomes t. And if you think about it, square of the square root cancels each other out, so you're just left with t. Tidying up, the first term on the top here, we've got same base, and a half minus 1 is minus a half, so we get t to the minus a half minus a half t to the minus a half times log 2t, all over t. I can factorize this because t to the minus a half is common to both of those, so try factorizing. We should get t to the minus a half into 1 minus a half log 2t over t. Now if we think of this, bringing the t, divide by t is the same as timesing by t to the minus 1, because this inverse, remember the power of t is 1, so bringing that up to the top, t to the minus 1, this becomes t to the minus a half times t to the minus 1 brackets 1 minus a half log 2t. Again, I can combine that. Minus a half minus 1 is minus 3 over 2. So this equals t to the minus 3 over 2 brackets 1 minus a half log 2t. Minus means inverse, and the fraction we can write as in root form. So see if you can write that in the final step to get dy by dx equals 1 minus a half log 2t over the square root of t cubed.